Join me as I dive into the world of drones and challenge myself to capture the most amazing aerial shots in my backyard this year. The drone revolution is more than just a tech trend. It's a transformative force that's landing right in our backyards. Imagine a world where drones aren't just flying toys, but integral parts of our daily lives, changing how we interact with our local communities. People are worried about drones, and it's easy to see why. Privacy is a big concern. No one wants a drone snooping around their property. Safety is another issue. We need to ensure these flying machines aren't going to cause any accidents. And then there are the regulations. Governments are scrambling to keep up with the rapid growth of drone technology. It's a lot to take in, and it's natural to feel a bit uneasy about it. But drones aren't just causing concerns. They're also solving problems. In agriculture, for instance, drones are being used to monitor crop health and detect issues early on. Some companies are even testing drone delivery services to get packages to your doorstep in record time. And let's not forget about recreational uses. Drones have opened up new avenues for photography, cinematography, and even just plain old fun. Agricultural drones are becoming more sophisticated, allowing farmers to make data-driven decisions and increase their yields. Delivery drones could revolutionize the way we receive packages, making it faster and more efficient. Recreational drones have already given us a new perspective on the world, allowing us to capture breathtaking aerial shots. As drone technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative applications. One of the most exciting things about drones is their potential to bring people together. Imagine attending a drone light show in your local park, or participating in a drone racing competition. The possibilities are endless, and it's thrilling to think about what the future holds.
Yeah, sure, step aside, kid, run up.
Drones could also play a crucial role in disaster response and recovery efforts, providing critical information and support. This year, I'm excited to see the introduction of autonomous drone systems that can perform tasks without human intervention. These drones will be able to fly on their own, making them even more efficient and effective. It's a game changer for industries like construction, infrastructure inspection, and even environmental monitoring. The drone revolution is all about leveraging technology to improve our lives and communities. We've covered a lot of ground, from the challenges and concerns to the exciting applications and innovations. So, what do you think about drones in your neighborhood? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have concerns? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more content like this, check out my video on the top tech trends to watch this year.